Are you tired of getting weird, kind of robotic, or just plain useless results from your AI? Yeah, you are not alone. But what if I told you the problem isn't the AI, it's actually how we're talking to it? Today, we're going to break down a guide to prompt writing that'll help you turn your AI from a frustrating machine into, seriously, your most valuable collaborator. Let's get into it.
You know the feeling. We've all been there. You ask for a simple email and you get back something a robot would be embarrassed to send. You ask for some creative ideas and it just spits back the most obvious suggestions you can possibly imagine. It feels like a total dead end. But here's the secret. The AI isn't failing you. We're just not giving it what it needs to succeed.
So the very first step is a mental shift, especially when you're using tools like Gemini, which are built right into the Google Workspace apps you use every single day. We've got to stop thinking of AI as just a fancy search bar. It's not a machine you just bark commands at. It's a collaborator. It's a partner you work with. Think of it as a creative teammate who's ready to help you brainstorm, draft, and build.
So where's the disconnect? Well, it's a classic case of vague in, vague out. We kind of treat the AI like it can read our minds, right? We give it these short, lazy questions, and then we get all frustrated when we get equally lazy answers back. That gap between what we think we're asking and what the AI actually needs to know, that is the single biggest barrier to getting great results.
And the data proves it. Get this, the average prompt that someone tries is just 9 words. 9! Think about how little information that actually is. Write an email about the project. Give me ideas for the offsite. The AI has no choice but to guess. It has to guess the tone, the audience, the goal, the key details, absolutely everything. So it's really no wonder the results are so generic.
So okay, if 9 words gets you that generic fluff, what does it take to get something actually great? The answer is 21. The prompts that deliver genuinely helpful, creative, and insightful stuff, they average 21 words. That's more than double. And what's filling those extra 12 words? All the crucial ingredients: detail, specifics, and most importantly, context.
And here's what that difference looks like in practice. It's night and day. The bad prompt, write an email about the project, is just a black hole of missing info. But look at the good one. Draft an executive summary email, okay, that tells it the tone and the audience. About the Q3 project status, now it has the specific topic, highlighting key wins and roadblocks, and there you go. You've defined the most important content. See, it's not an order, it's a detailed brief. You're giving the AI a clear roadmap to success.
So how do we write prompts like that every single time? Thankfully, you don't have to guess. There's a simple but incredibly powerful framework for this. It's a formula for creating what the guide calls a power prompt. And this is the real secret to unlocking the AI's full potential. And here it is, PTCF. Persona, task, context, and format. It's so simple and brilliant. Persona tells the AI who to be, like be an expert marketer or a supportive manager. This instantly sets the tone. Task is the action verb, what to do. Draft this, summarize that, brainstorm me some ideas. Context is the crucial background, what it needs to know to do the job right. And finally, format tells the AI how you want the answer back, as a table, maybe a formal email, or just some simple bullet points.
Let's see how these pieces combine to make a totally unstoppable prompt. You start with the persona. You are a program manager. Bam! Instantly, the AI adopts that professional, organized mindset. Then you add the task. Draft an executive summary email. Now it has a clear goal. You layer on the context, based on this program doc for the leadership team. Now that's the real game changer, grounding the AI in your specific facts. And you finish with the format, and limit the summary to bullet points. You've just told it exactly what to do, who to be, what to use, and how to present it. No more guesswork.
Okay, so once you've mastered the PTCF formula, you're ready for the next level. We're going to go from good to great. Here are a few pro tips from the guide that will take your prompts and just really make them sing.
These are your power-ups. First, treat it like a conversation. Don't be afraid to refine your prompt and go again if the first result isn't perfect. Second, always assign a role. It's the fastest way to control the tone. Third, give it constraints. Asking for 3 options or a 100-word limit forces it to give you a much more focused response. And finally, never ever forget the @ feature.
Grounding the AI in your own documents is what unlocks true personalization.
Now, this is my favorite tip from the entire guide. It's kind of like a cheat code. If you're stuck, you can literally ask the AI to help you write a better prompt. You just type, "Make this a power prompt," and then you paste in your original simple request. The AI will then suggest a much more detailed PTCF-style prompt for you to use. It's like having a coach built right in.
Now, as we wrap this up, there is one final really crucial point. We spent all this time learning how to guide the AI, but it is absolutely essential to remember your role in this partnership. The AI is an incredible co-pilot for sure, but make no mistake, you are the pilot.
This quote from the source material says it all perfectly. Generative AI is meant to help humans, but the final output is yours. It's there to assist you, to help you draft, and to accelerate your work. But you bring the expertise, the judgment, and the final sign-off. You always have to review, always refine, and always make the work your own.
So, let's just bring it all together. Prompting isn't some secret, dark art. It's a skill, and it's about shifting from giving commands to having a real conversation. Most of all, it's about remembering that you are always in control, guiding this powerful technology to achieve your specific goals. So now you have the formula. You have the pro tips. You can collaborate with AI more effectively than ever before. You've seen how just a few extra thoughtful words can unlock some incredible results. Your new AI teammate is ready and waiting. The only question is, what will you create together?